Here's the box that it comes all in. You got these big packs of cable. Got two of them. So here is the monitor. Inside, it brings the whole kit. You got these power splitters. You have these dongles that you can connect. You got the power supply, mounting brackets, 3M tape with a little bit of foam inside. You got the ties for the wiring, so you can do your split wiring. You got another one of these, which is just alone. And then the bracket for the camera to mount to. And that's just in one box for just the monitor. Here you get more mounting screws. These are the camera, backup cameras. Very, very heavy, I'm telling you. These are like real good made, big quality, good cameras, you know. So you connect that cable to that cable, straight to this whole kit. So there's the other camera. These are all just power. This is like for the monitor, the camera kits. Same as this. So I think how you do this is you split this wire with this one. You like put those together. That goes to your camera, to your indoor monitor, and then this, I believe, is the one that goes out to the camera for you.